Hello folks and welcome back to Relaxing Woodshop. My name is David.
My name is Christopher.
It is a scorcher outside, hence
The legs out.
the legs are out, yes. So guys, thank you so much for all your comments over the past couple of weeks there with the rock, or a couple of months with the Rocking Horse. But we got through it together and I thought it turned out fantastic, didn't it? Yeah. We are at 169 subscribers. So please, one more. Get us to 170. Subscribe. What was it said last time around? Get your granny to subscribe. We should just have YouTube. Work out something to get your granny to get on YouTube, alright? But we're getting there. We always said to yourself it would be nice to have 50. Then when you get 50,
100.
And then when you get 100, you won.
150.
And then when you get 150, you won.
200.
Which is a plan. We would love to see this Christmas having 200. That would be just class. So it really would. So this week, we're slowing it down a wee bit. We have a new toy to the workshop. It has been here for a week and never been opened. So we're going to do an unboxing of a brand new machine that has come onto the shop. Do you know what it is, Christopher?
I'm looking straight at it.
Oh yes, you can read the box. Yeah, alright. Right, so anything else, Christopher? No?
Just subscribes and likes.
Subscribes and likes. Yes, keep them going, guys. Thank you very much. So, let's get to the unveiling. Okay guys, so here it is. It is a record power, which I do like to use with the record power for the vent, and I have record power and a few of my other tools there. They're a good brand. They're sturdy and tough. We ordered this, of course, at
Temple Patrick Wood Shop.
The Temple Patrick Wood Shed is exactly right, Christopher, even though it took him a wee second to work out there, so he did. So
I didn't know if the video was recorded or not, that's the problem.
Oh, you don't even know we're recording? No. Hello, this is the Relaxing Wood Shop, this is Christopher. So, what we'll do is we'll unbox it, we'll go through it step by step, just to see how it sets up. I've never touched one of these before, I've never used one of these before, but I've been wanting one for the shop. We ordered this, 3 months ago, so it is, so it's been a very long time coming, so let's get it open. Okay, so there's the two big cables off. Adult supervision when you're using sharp tools, Christopher. So there we go. So, oh, it's French, is that? Is that Mortise? Mortise? No? Okay. So this is the handle. Handle! What's that from?
Avengers.
What?
Avengers.
Handle!
Yeah.
Handle!
Yeah, the handle. And then Grip puts his...
Yes.
Yeah?
I'll be honest with you, I was going with Hold the Door, which was, of course,
Hodor.
Game of Thrones. Sorry, got that completely wrong.
Yeah. Similar letters.
Whoa! You all look in the box? Oh yes! That's a lot of machine there, isn't it? Let's get that out. We'll have a wee look at that now.
There's the Yankee.
We've also got 3 of our Mortise chisel drill bits.
That's the official name.
I don't know if that's the official name. It's not the official name. Right guys, so here we go. This is the big bit. We're going to lift this off, and when we lift it off, we're going to then try and get rid of the box. The actual weight of this is over 40 kilos. So it is 46 kilos minus a few wee bits of packaging. But here we go. So I grab here, you grab there. We'll lift it up together. You got it?
Not really.
And get rid of the box. Okay. Would you like to do the unpaint and bagging?
Oh, setting up the bag.
See if we can. There we go. There we go for it, Christopher. Go for it.
It's still stuck.
Some job.
Sorry, very heavy.
Let's turn it away. That really is heavy. So there it is, guys. Fantastic. So what we're going to do, we're going to get it all set up and then see you in a wee second. Okay guys, so here it is. We've got it all set up. As you can see, it is quite a sizable machine and there is good weight to it there. So this handle, when you pull on this handle, it'll bring the machine down to your size of the bite that you want. So if I didn't want that to go any further than there, all I do is release this, raise this up to this point, and then lock that in there. And that will stop me from going any further than there. So that's the depth of your cut. Then of course, on then the two other items, you can bring this in, lower this out, and what that will do is for the width of the piece of wood that you'll be using. This item here, I'm not as fond of this one because it takes quite a bit of time, but this brings out the actual plate, so it does, and brings in the actual plate. And the only argument to that would be it'd be nice to have a wing that you could do in that one. And then this one here, the last one, then slides the table left and right as you're making your cut, which is a fantastic, fantastic thing. So let's get a bit of wood in and give it a try. Okay, so here we go. We've actually had this machine switched on. It is surprisingly quiet. So in goes the chuck, screw bit, down in, we'll push it down, up, move across, push it down, move it up, and see what happens. But as you can hear, very, very quiet. And let's see how that turned out. Fantastic. So obviously that's for the small one. Then you can work your way up the different sizes. You never go in full size first because it would never take out all that material. But that just shows you an idea. So this is a new friend to the workshop and it will be used in the upcoming movies and shows that we'll be doing. So there we have it for another of the relaxing wood shop. Now I know that was a wee bit more of just an unboxing, unveiling, but lovely big machine.
Yeah, it's very good. So
Absolutely.
Good quality.
Yeah, there's no doubt that that's some sturdiness in that machine. So we probably won't be using it in the upcoming video, but I'm sure we're going to try and make it. But what is an upcoming video, Christopher?
Sword.
We're going to do a sword. Now, we are in discussions as to what type of sword. I was thinking a sword from like Barbarian, you know, from
Yeah, big two-handed, like
big,
warrior.
yeah, the warrior sword. Or we could go down the samurai sword. But I do like the fact of that, you know, that sort of Game of Thrones. What do you call your big fella that had the giant sword?
The mountain.
The mountain.
I'm taller than the mountain.
Yes, you are taller than the mountain. We all know
I've melon.
and you've melon. Yes, yes. So guys, thank you very much for watching. Keep those subscribes coming. We're going to put out more material and we're going to get a couple more good shows in. Tell me what you think about the extended shows. We don't know whether to throw one quickly at you and do something like that, or over the weeks progress through it so you can follow us. So let us know what your thoughts are.
Okay.
All right. Take care, folks. Be safe. And we look forward to seeing you next time on
The Relaxing Wood Shop.
Bye, guys.
Bye-bye.